The winter is back again in nature, and the magical white with its calmness is there again. It is amazing the way the snow stays on the vertical trunks of the trees. It does not fall down. It stays on the trees and also on the leaves that are moving in the wind. The snow stays connected to them. It's a magical harmony that is out there in nature. And we always have to search for this magical harmony, that it shows up in our life. But when we go for it and when we search for it, we will find it. We will find a way that we can go in magical harmony, no matter the circumstances around us. We may not always be able to affect the circumstances, but we are able to affect the way we feel about our circumstances. I invite you to go the magical harmonious way, the way nature does, with acceptance, the way it is. See you soon.